Electric servo riveting machine is a type of press characterized by high precision, high yield rates, greater energy efficiency, ease of operation and maintenance, longer lifespan, enhanced safety and cleanliness, and lower noise levels. Servo has introduced Japanese and Taiwanese technology, with major components imported from globally renowned brands. We have designed and developed a series of CNC servo electronic riveting machines, aiming to achieve the same level of quality as our Japanese counterparts but at a lower price point. Comparing the riveting machines of Germany, Japan, the United States, Switzerland only costs 1/5-1/3 of the price. This provides manufacturers with the most cost-effective purchasing choice to reduce costs, replace outdated equipment, and upgrade and optimize traditional production capacity. Our equipment provides a multi-language interface and can load the language system according to your needs, and provides real-time output of pressure curves with dual curve control. Both pressure, position, and torque can be controlled and assessed in real time. The electric servo riveting machine supports multiple control modes for selection, with customizable parameter settings and variable speeds. It also provides instant feedback for diagnostics and maintenance, which helps reduce product damage rate. It can be programmed to ensure accuracy and positional repeatability within 0.5% fs. In addition, we offer production reports and real-time recording of force and displacement curves. All riveting data can be automatically stored via USB drives or other means, and can also be directly printed out. Process parameters and riveting programs for different part numbers can be stored and recalled. Furthermore, there is an alarm page where all alarm parameters can be saved. The video primarily showcases some common applications of electric servo riveting machines, which are also customer cases we have worked on before. It adopts AC servo motors that propel a low backlash ball screw and press punch, along with sensor and control parts, allowing you to control several cycle parameters including travel distance, pressure, and return position, and achieve high repeatability processing. The electric actuator replaces the hydraulic system to precisely control slide motion throughout the stroke. It can initiate maximum pressing force at any point throughout the stroke. This makes it highly suitable for the assembly of small precision hardware and various components, with faster speeds compared to other types of riveting machines. In addition to the mentioned advantages of increased precision, efficiency, and the machine system, it also has numerous other benefits. Roller screw actuators last up to 15 times longer and achieve greater load capacity than ball screws. This extends its lifespan. Without oil tanks, pumps, valves, and hoses, the electric servo riveting machine runs entirely on electricity, making it much easier to maintain and support than hydraulic or mechanical flywheel systems. Not only does this eliminate leaks and costly disposal fees, but it also ensures that cleanliness requirements are maintained for meticulous environments like labs and clean rooms. Hydraulic riveting machines require a significant amount of electricity to power the hydraulic system even when idle, whereas the electric servo riveting machine uses energy on demand, resulting in energy and cost savings of up to 80%. Motors and pumps that drive a hydraulic power unit can exceed 90 decibels. Eliminating the HPU and its components and only using power when the press is operating on demand, the electric servo riveting machine maintains a very low ambient noise level. On the riveting machine's exterior, we primarily develop two types of structures: C-frame and four-column structures. In addition to these two structures, we can also adjust the exterior design of the electric servo riveting machine according to the production needs of the customers to meet customized machine requirements. The electric servo riveting machine offers the highest tonnage capacity of any electromechanical riveting machine available on the market today, with models ranging from 500 kg 10T. We can supply not only custom machines, molds, robot arms, auto feeder process technology, and other related machines, but also provide efficient riveting and automatic feeding, as well as whole production line solutions for various products. Follow us, and we will continue to provide updates on mechanical knowledge. In subsequent videos, we will also introduce some product processes to you. For more information about the applications and advantages of electric servo riveting machines, feel free to contact Servo Technology Company, Limited. You can visit our official website or reach us via email at sales@sirotech.cn. We look forward to hearing from you.